Welcome to my channel. I'm Sudani. This is my strengthening routine that has allowed me to retain healthy length by reducing breakage and split ends. My hair is fine, meaning the strands are thinner in diameter, resulting in hair that is more prone to damage because of its fragile and delicate nature. I also have higher porosity hair, which is prone to breakage and split ends due to the raised cuticles. There isn't a permanent solution because this is how my hair naturally is, but protein works in many ways to combat these issues. I currently use Amika's Secure Bond Repair line. I have the shampoo, conditioner, and mask. I do these treatments once or twice a month. I never use my protein products more than my non-protein products because that could result in dry, brittle hair. Very questionable braids. I said protein benefits my hair in many ways, but I never specified how, so let's begin with how it can be beneficial for fine hair. First, some helpful information. The hair shaft is typically made up of 3 layers: the inside layer, the medulla, the middle layer, the cortex, and the outside layer, the cuticle. With fine hair, the middle layer, the cortex, is usually smaller, so it's not as strong, and the inside layer, the medulla, is often absent, meaning it's just not there. This makes fine hair more likely to break because of its weak structure. Protein treatments can alleviate these issues with ingredients like collagen, amino acids, hydrolyzed keratin, and others that are similar to it. These ingredients can bond to the hair and provide structural support. It's like patching up any weak spots in the hair shaft. It reduces breakage, improves manageability, and leaves your hair looking smoother and healthier. Protein treatments can also improve the elasticity of fine hair, making it more stretchy and bendy. This flexibility helps your hair handle being brushed and styled without breaking, so your hair becomes less fragile and more resilient. These treatments give your hair temporary support, so it's a good idea to do them once or twice a month to keep your fine hair healthy and strong. Perfect. Now for my porous or high porosity hair, protein pretty much acts as a stabilizer. High porosity hair is known to absorb moisture quickly, but it also loses it quickly because its cuticle layer, the outer layer of the hair, has gaps or raised scales. Protein treatments temporarily fill in these gaps, reducing moisture loss and improving hydration retention. This helps decrease porosity, moving closer to the ideal medium or normal porosity level. Some people seem to want high porosity hair because it can absorb water easily, but it lets it go just as fast and is highly prone to damage. Luckily, protein treatments can provide more balance and manageability. I don't recommend using protein/strengthening products as a replacement to your moisturizing and hydrating or all-purpose ones. Strengthening products are meant to be used along with them, but not more than them or all alone, especially if your hair isn't dyed or chemically damaged by perms or relaxers. I just always make sure my hair is balanced and not neglected for moisture and hydration, so I use my non-protein products most of the time. For wash days, I don't do anything different technique-wise. These products feel the same as my regular shampoos and conditioners. They just have the ingredients that my hair needs. Proteins. it feels so good. If you're someone who's never tried protein but suspects your hair may need it, or you want to try it, I don't recommend doing an intense treatment like the Afro-G. Instead, you can do what I'm doing and use a strengthening shampoo and conditioner and see how your hair likes it. When I first started using protein, I ordered sample sizes from Red Ken's Extreme line for about $7 each, and they lasted me more than 4 washes. Strengthening shampoos and conditioners offer enough protein so you can get a good idea of how your hair reacts, and if there are any negative outcomes, at least they'll be minor compared to if you did a more intensive treatment. If you do experience dry or brittle hair, I recommend that you clarify your hair to get rid of the protein and then deep condition right after, and that'll give your hair a nice reset while giving it the moisture it needs. Protein isn't for everyone. Some people have a strong enough hair structure, while others need those extra protein ingredients to strengthen and improve the structure of their hair. I'm obviously one of those people. I just wish I knew sooner. I could have retained so much more length last year. I didn't use the hair mask this wash day, but when I do, I just use it in place of the conditioner. It detangles without a problem. But sometimes I shampoo, condition, detangle, and then I'd apply the mask and let it sit for about 5 minutes before rinsing. Just depends how I'm feeling. My wash day is complete. I'm just finishing off with the rinse, so you can stick around for that if you want, or not. Regardless, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.